Have you ever felt your heart racing before speaking English in front of everyone? Like right now?
Oh yes, honestly, my hands are shaking a little, but hearing that makes me feel calmer.
This English listening conversation is from JA Info Urdu. Like this video and subscribe now to improve your English.
Yes, friends, because this channel really helps us learn better together.
So, tell me honestly, do you feel nervous speaking English in this classroom?
Well, yeah, I do feel nervous sometimes, especially when everyone is listening carefully.
That's totally normal, even confident speakers feel scared at first.
Really? Hearing that makes me relax a little, because I thought I was alone.
No, you're not alone at all. We are all learning step by step here.
That sounds comforting, sir, and it makes me want to try speaking more.
Okay, let's practice together. Just speak naturally. Don't worry about mistakes.
All right, I will try my best, even if my voice shakes a little.
Great. So tell me, what did you do after school yesterday afternoon?
Yesterday after school, I went home, helped my mother, and studied English.
Wow, that's impressive. You're really working hard on improving yourself.
Thank you, sir. Hearing that makes me feel proud and more confident.
Do you enjoy learning English? Or does it sometimes feel boring?
Honestly, sometimes it feels boring, but conversations like this make it fun.
I'm glad to hear that, because speaking is the fastest way to learn.
Yes, I'm starting to realize that talking helps me remember words better.
By the way, what is the hardest part of English for you?
I think pronunciation is hardest, especially long and confusing words.
That's a common problem, but practice every day will slowly fix it.
I'll try, sir. Even 5 minutes daily feels helpful sometimes.
Exactly, small efforts every day can create big changes later.
That motivates me, and now I really want to improve seriously.
So, would you like to speak English more with your friends too?
Yes, I think I will, even if we make mistakes and laugh.
That's the best attitude. Learning with laughter makes everything easier.
True, learning feels lighter when we are not scared.
I'm proud of your progress today. You spoke very clearly and confidently.
Thank you so much, sir. That means a lot to me.
Remember, confidence grows when you keep practicing without fear.
I'll remember that, and I won't give up easily now.
If this helped you, subscribe to JA Info Urdu for more English listening practice.
Yes, friends, please subscribe to JA Info Urdu and keep learning with us.
We'll meet again with another helpful lesson, so keep believing in yourself.
Thank you for watching, and keep practicing English every single day.